Ariel Rivera bumuhos ng luha sa pagpanaw ng isa sa pinakamamahal na kapamilya. Narito ang detalye. Hindi mapigilang maiyak ng singer, actor, and TV host na si Ariel Rivera nang balikan niya ang masakit na pangyayari sa kanilang pamilya. More than 3 years ago, ito ay ang pagkamatay ng kanyang amang si Mr. Ben Rivera. Napag-usapan kasi nila ito ng TV host at malapit na kaibigan ng kanilang pamilya na si Boy Abunda sa Father's Day episode sa programa nitong Fast Talk with Boy Abunda nitong nakaraan June 16. Kwento ng aktor, nasa Japan daw siya kasama ang asawang si Jelly de Belen at ang mga anak nilang sila Joaquin at Julio for their Christmas vacation nang malaman niyang hindi na maganda ang lagay ng ama na nakabase sa Canada. I remember it was Christmas of 2019 and my 2 boys were here in the Philippines, so we decided to go to Japan. Pagbabalik tanaw ni Ariel. Before that, my brother Marvin, yung sumunod sa akin, he said that dad is not doing well. Parang something is wrong with him. He had sepsis na pala, but he was home. Parang he seems lost. He's not himself. Pagpapatuloy ng kwento ni Ariel, sepsis, according to Mayo Clinic, is a serious condition in which the body responds improperly to an infection. The infection-fighting processes turn on the body, causing the organs to work poorly. Pwede itong maagapan, pero kapag lumala, pwede itong makasira sa mga internal organs ng pasyente na maaring nitong ikamatay. Ng mga oras na iyon ay hindi na umano makausap ng maayos sa phone ang kanyang daddy Ben. And then I asked my brother Marvin, is he okay? He said, he's okay but something's wrong. I got on the phone with my dad. Dad, kamusta ka na? He was off thought. He was like, it wasn't him I'm talking to. Paglalarawan niya. Pag-amin pa ni Ariel, that time ay wala raw siyang plano na pumunta ng Canada. I said we had no plans yet of going to Canada that Christmas kasi nandito nga sa Pilipinas yung mga bata, aniya. However, nang malaman umano niyang isinugod na sa ospital ang kanyang ama ay nag-decide na silang tapusin ang kanilang bakasyon. So we went back to Manila right away, got the first flight to Toronto. When I saw him in ICU, he was breathing because of apparatus. Emosyonal na pagbabalik tanaw ni Ariel. Sa puntong ito na rin siya tuluyang napahagulhol. I just whispered in his ear and said, thank you dad. I just said, thank you dad, thank you for everything you've done to me, you've given me, aniya. Nangako rin siya na hindi niya pababayaan ng kanilang mommy, Fanny. Kaya wala raw itong dapat ipag-alala. Don't worry, I'll take care of mom. Pagpagod na kayo, magpahinga na kayo. That's all I said. Umiiyak na pagtatapos ng kwento ni Ariel Rivera.